Good morning everyone, welcome to another vlog here on the World of Coasters. I say vlog, it's a construction update. Myself and Louise have come out to Chessington World of Adventures, our local park. We haven't been here in a while, have we?
I haven't been here.
Avoided it for the whole summer. Last time I was here was during the opening of what they call the Shipwreck Cove. Or Shipwreck Coast, sorry. We're here today to have a look at the construction update for World of Jumanji. So yeah, we're going to have a look around, see what we can see. I know there's been a lot of progress since we last were here, definitely since you were last here, Lou. So as far as I'm aware, they've gone vertical now, so there's actually supports on site.
Yeah, we've seen pictures, haven't we?
No sign of track yet, and the Jaguar has progressed. Our view is somewhat limited today, and I'll show you why in a moment. So as we come past the Blue Barnacle, you can actually see why we can't get full views today. And that is because they are setting up for Vile Villagers, which is one of their scare attractions here.
So good.
It used to be a free walk for attraction. I don't know whether it is this season, however they are offering a paid version after. Yeah, I know, we can see the station for the World of Jumanji. Let's have a look, see what I can see from here. I can just climb up on here. Right, so I've switched on the digital zoom because the zoom isn't too great on this camera, but you can actually see. I zoom in. Well, let's actually have a look. I don't know what we can see from here. So there were some handprints. I don't know if you can see. You can just about make them up behind them stairs. I'll have to go around and get a better angle for you. You got this bank here and just put the camera up and over, assuming I don't slip over. Yeah, let's see what we can see from here as we have a look over the fence on the construction side. Work progressing quite well. So here we go, a view into the station now. With the help of the digital zoom, yeah, here's what I meant. There is actually handprints up here, and that basically confirms it's a winged coaster. Look, 2 sets of hands and 2 sets of hands. I love that little detail. So we are coming up to that point of the year where the leaves are starting to fall from the trees. However, the view from Canopy Capers up here, still there's too much leaf coverage to actually see, maybe because they have left a couple of the trees intact, this one up here. We come around the side of the site now, we've got more boards up here, with actually some almost like mood boards or some theming elements on the side. Just hope they go for this sort of detail, which I think they will. Merlin really have been pulling the stops out recently with their new attractions. Let's take another peer over the fence here, and what we can see, funny thing being, I can't see any supports yet, but I know they have gone vertical. So our view from Canopy Capers still heavily obstructed by the leaves up here. I don't really see the point of going up here when there's tree coverage. I don't actually think it's open today. Normally you'd have kids running around here, so yeah, hopefully in the next couple of months we'll be able to get up there for better views. Yeah, the World of Jumanji. And the entrance should be roughly around here, where this little door is for site entrance, and we can see our first support coming up here. I'm not saying I can't see any supports. So yeah, B&M winged coaster. We knew this for a long time, but it's nice to finally see some supports on site. I do feel Chessington have kind of missed an opportunity along here. So they have the Vile Villagers, which is further along, but they could have closed this whole path off and put a maze theme to Jumanji to get some hype for the ride, and it also would keep us away from the site walls and filming what's going on. But I suppose they want to make a bit of hype. But this here will be, I imagine, the point of the inversion where it goes over, because this will be the first inverting coaster in Chessington's history. So round by Explorer Gate now. This is probably going to be our best view of the coaster, as conveniently part of their tarpaulin has fallen down. So I can have a quick look. Yeah, it's this fencing in the way. We can see the foundation for one of the flat rides here. And if I just put the camera over here, I know, and there's our first support on site, up and erected. Means track's probably coming very soon. So yeah, plenty of detail on the Jaguar face. It's got the hole in it for the jewel, which I actually saw on social media a little while ago. I reckon track is only a month or so away now. Now the fact the supports are here means track is imminent. I think you find this first support has been put in just to build up a bit of hype, because it's the only support here. It kind of says that there's a coaster coming even to general public. But yeah, that's about it for this update video. So yeah, a much shorter construction update video today. There's not really a whole lot to see. What with Vile Village going in at the moment, and this entrance kind of being
And the tree coverage.
Yeah, the tree coverage has made it a bit difficult, but it is good to see there's a lot going on site. We'll be keeping a close eye when track arrives. If I've got a day off work, even if you're at work, I'll be down here for coverage on that, and I will probably camp out for a little while and watch the track going in for a vlog, because that's one thing I've never really seen as a coaster enthusiast, is track physically going into place.
Yeah.
You just kind of see it parts in, so that'd be quite fun to watch. Anyway guys, if you're interested in following us on the construction updates of Jumanji, by all means leave a like, subscribe with the notification bell for more, and we'll see you real soon in the next video. Until then, bye.